Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gazahi. In this video we are going to discuss about how to find the square root of any non-perfect square number without calculator. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to get more videos and hit the bell button to get notification. Let's get started. How to find square root of any non-perfect square number without calculator. Let's do an example. Radical 2 is how much? So we divide 2 by a perfect square which is less than 2, which is 1. So when we divide 2 by 1, we get 1. 1 times 1 is 1. When we subtract 1 from 2, we get 1. And we make point here. And we add 2 zeros here. And we are going to find a number which is less than or equal to 100 by doubling 1. 1 times 2, we get 2. So inserting a number here, the second digit, and multiplying by this digit again, and this number must be less than or equal to 100. And now this number is 4. Okay, 24 times 4 become 96. If we insert a 5 here and here, 25 times 5, it become more than 100. It's impossible. The number must be less than or equal to 100, so we must insert 4. Now the first digit is here, 4. And when we subtract 100 by 96, we get 4. Similarly, we add 2 zeros here. And we double this 1.4, making 14 times 2, which is equals to 28. So we add the third digit here and multiply it by this digit again, and this number must be less than or equal to 400. So this number is 1. If we insert a 2, it become more than 400. Now the second digit is 1 here. So 281 times 1 is 281. Then subtract. So when we subtract, we get 190. Similarly, add 2 zeros and find the number which is less than or equals to 11,900. And first, let's double 1.41. It becomes 141. 141 times 2. It becomes 282. The third digit and multiply by this digit again. So this number must be less than 11,900. So this number is 4. So it becomes 11,296. So when we subtract, we get 604. The third digit is here, 4. And similarly, add 2 zeros. Let's double first 1.414 by making 1,414 times 2, which is equals to 2,828. So when we insert a digit here and multiply by this digit, this number must be less than 60,400. So what this number is? So this number is 2. If we insert 3, it becomes more than 60,000. 28,282 times 2 gives 56,564. The next digit is 2. When we subtract, we get 3,836. Similarly, add 2 zeros, then doubling this number. So when we insert a number here, we get 1 times 1 itself. And the next digit is 1. Okay. Then subtract. When we subtract, we get 10,756. Similarly, we add 2 zeros. And we proceed in this way. The values of radical 2 is 1.41421 and so on. This number is neither terminating nor repeating digits, okay? Because of that, radical 2 is irrational number. What about radical 5? A perfect square number which is less than 5 is 2. So we divide 5 by 2. When we divide 5 by 2, we get 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. The remainder is 1. And we put a point and we add 2 zeros. And we are going to find a number which is less than or equals to 100. And let's first double 2 by 2, which is 4. We must find a number by inserting here second digit and multiplying by this digit again, but this number must be less than or equal to 100. So this number is 2. If we insert 3 here, 43 times 3, it becomes more than 100. So 42 times 2 is 84. The first digit is 2. Then subtract 84 from 100, we get 16. Then add 2 zeros. So we add a digit in front of 44 and multiply by this digit again. And this number must be less than 1600. This number is 3. And when we multiply, we get 1329. The second digit is 3. When we subtract, we get 271. Similarly, add 2 zeros. 223 by 2, which is equals to 446. So when we insert a digit here in front of 446 and multiplying by this digit again, and this number must be less than 27,100. So this number is 6. Now when we multiply 4,466 by 6, we get 26,796. Now the third digit is 6. So when we subtract, we get 304. Similarly, add 2 zeros and find a number which is less than or equal to 30,400. And first double the number. So when we double the number, 2,236 by 2, 4,472. If we insert 1 here and here, it becomes 44,721. But this one is 30,400 is more than. So we must add 0 here, okay? 44,720 times 0 becomes 0. And the third digit is 0. When we subtract, we get 30,400. Similarly, we add 2 zeros here, and we are going to find a number which is less than or equal to 3,040,000. And first, let's double these numbers. 2.2360, 22,360 times 2. Insert 6 here. When we multiply 447,206 by 6, we get 2,683,236. The fifth digit is 6. And when we subtract this, we get, similarly, we add 2 zeros here, double this number, 447,212. If we insert 8, it becomes more than this number, and the next digit is 7. So it goes in this form. Therefore, radical 5 is irrational, because the digit after a point is not terminating, not repeating. This is all about square root of any non-perfect square number without calculator. If there is any doubt, question, comment, don't hesitate to leave under comment section. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you get some value from it. Please hit the like, share, subscribe and the bell button to get all notification. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you with another video.